The location of the connector StarCan seat front module is on the passenger side of the dash below the glove compartment to the right. To access the module, first you must disconnect the kick panel and pull it down out of the way. Next, unpackage your kick panel bypass cable provided. Find the white tip connector, as this is the end that will be plugged into the vehicle's module. Locate the green connector bank located directly behind the vehicle's OBD2 connector. A flashlight may help locate the star connector. Insert the white star connector into one of the available spots. The green star connector will not be used during this installation. We recommend running the OBD2 side cable adapter through the front end of the center console. When feeding the OBD2 cable adapter through the front end of the center console, run a cable under the driver's side dash. Using zip ties and other methods, secure the cable away from any moving mechanical components. Plug the OBD2 cable adapter into the vehicle's OBD2 connector as shown. Now you are free to install your device into the OBD2 connector.